Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite running shoes on Amazon. You guys, this is the Ghost 13. This is going to be your choice if you are a serious road runner, if you are logging a lot of miles. This is going to be the shoe that's going to perfectly balance your foot comfort, the durability of the shoe, and also your performance, because that's important too. This shoe is going to be crazy comfortable. It fits like a glove. The outside is going to be totally breathable, give it a little bit of a stretch, and just really fit you like a glove. The bottom of the shoe is going to provide all of the support and comfort that you need. It's going to make sure that your foot is hitting the ground properly. It's got that perfect heel to toe support and responsiveness, no matter if you're someone who maybe, hits on the inside or you hit on the outside. This shoe is going to balance everything and make sure that you are keeping your foot healthy and that it is supporting you equally on all sides. That's going to be important, not just for your feet, but your legs, your knees, everything. This shoe is great for any body type when they are running. It's amazing. I love that it balances enough comfort in the bottom and the sole of the shoe without being overdone. You see a lot of shoes that have a lot of bulk, a lot of weight that can weigh you down, that can, it's just more things to go wrong, more things to rub the wrong way, more things that, can wear out. And it also keeps your foot from really being able to respond to the ground below it because there's just so much there. And when you're running, you need to be able to perform. That is something that you might not consciously think about, but your foot is feeling the ground, adjusting to it. It needs to be able to have that responsiveness. And this Ghost 13 balances all of those things perfectly to where you are going to perform better than ever, keep yourself comfortable, keep your feet healthy. They're also going to be super stylish and hold up over time. They're an amazing running shoe. They're great for cross training too. You're going to love them. Go ahead, put these in your cart. You'll be so glad that you did.